Good morning to the students of class 7. Students, today the construction of quadrilateral chapter, we are going to do two more constructions. So before listening to the explanation from the video, you keep your geometry box ready. We are going to do let's work out 21 question number 2 part E. Children, as I have told that you are going to use one page for doing one construction, so that you get the enough space also and the work will also look neat. Alright. So let's read the question. We will have to construct a rhombus BEST in which BS equals to 6.8 centimeter and ET equals to 5.8 centimeter. Now children, before constructing the rhombus, let us once recall the property of the rhombus. You have studied that in a rhombus, all the sides are of equal length and the diagonals bisects each other at 90 degree, right? This property you have studied previously only. Now using that property, we are going to construct the rhombus. At first, we will have to draw the base. We are going to draw the baseline taking any measurement. That means we are actually drawing the ray over here. Just draw the base ray. So here you can see that a ray has been drawn. Now here we will have to consider this ET as the base, because here the two diagonals are given, the length of the two diagonals are given. I have drawn the rough diagram for the convenience. So we are drawing this ET as the base, okay. So this is of length 5.8 centimeter. So you mark the E on one side, and as you can see that from previously only before starting the construction, this I have told you all also that you are going to take the measurements of the given line segment, and then so that while doing the construction it will be easier for you. So ET is of length 5.8 centimeter. So you are placing the compass and then taking the measurement of 5.8 centimeter. Alright. Now you place at E and cut an arc. So you are getting this point T. So this is your T. Now students, as I have told that in a rhombus the diagonals bisect each other. You can look at the rough diagram also. This ET is bisected by the line BS. So that means what? We will have to draw the perpendicular bisector. So children, previously in class 6 also you have learned how to draw the perpendicular bisector. You are going to place the pointer of the compass and take the measurement half or more than half. You are going to take the measurement half or more than half and then draw the arc on both the sides, means both on top as well as at the bottom. You are drawing the perpendicular bisector. Since the diagonals bisect each other, that is why we are drawing the perpendicular bisector. So both on the top as well as the bottom, you are going to cut like this. Now you have got the 2 points. You are going to join the 2 points. Therefore, you are getting the perpendicular bisector. Now students, just look at the question. Here we have this ET which is already 5.8 centimeter. You are going to mark it 5.8 centimeter. Now the other diagonal which is of length 6.8 centimeter, that means what? Since the rhombus, in the rhombus the diagonals bisect each other, that is why on top also it will be 3.4 centimeter and at the bottom also it will be 3.4 centimeter. That is why on top you will have to cut an arc of 3.4 centimeter length. That means the total is 6.8, that is why you are dividing 6.8 divided by 2, which is 3.4. So now take the measurement 3.4 centimeter. You are taking the measurement, then place the pointer at this point. Alright, I hope you can see. Now cut both at the top as well as at the bottom. That means 3.4 actually you are cutting from both the top as well as the bottom, placing the pointer at the midpoint. So finally you are getting the points B and the point S. Now you join all the vertices. Using the scale and pencil. And here you are writing 3.4 centimeter and here also 3.4 centimeter. Right. So children, previously we have constructed the rhombus where the sides were given, but in today's class we have learnt how to construct a rhombus when the length of its two diagonals are given. So in this way you have obtained the rhombus BEST. You are going to write the conclusion after doing the construction, that rhombus BEST is drawn in which BS equals to, that means this perpendicular or the vertical diagonal, which is 6.8 centimeter, and ET equals to, that is the horizontal diagonal, which is 5.8 centimeter. Now students, we are going to construct a square. Children, you know that in a square all the vertex angle are of measure 90 degree, and just like the rhombus it has all its four sides equal. So using the property that its vertex angle is 90 degree, we are going to construct the square. So at first we will have to take the measurement, that is the measurement of the side, which is 5.2 centimeter. You can see that I have drawn the line of the given measurement. Then what you will do, you are going to construct the square. So at first you are going to draw the base. That means at first draw a ray like this. Of any measurement, draw the ray. As you can see in the rough diagram, that this point I am marking it as D. Okay. So now see, look at the rough diagram, you can see this angle RDE, this is 90 degree. So we will have to construct 90 degree, but before that we will have to form the base, that is the DE, which is of measurement 5.2 centimeter. So you are taking the measurement, cutting in this way. You have got the E vertex and you are writing 5.2 centimeter. Now place your compass, means the pointer of the compass at D, and you are going to draw the angle. Now for drawing the angle, as I have told, you can take any radius, any arc. Okay. You are drawing 90 degree. I hope you remembered how to draw 90 degree. First draw an arc, then place the pointer here and cut once. Again place the pointer here and cut in this way. And you are cutting on top. Place the pointer in this way and this way again you are cutting. Children, make sure that you use your compass only for drawing the angles. No protractor will be allowed. Now you have got the 90 degree angle. Now see children, here you can see in the rough diagram all the sides should be of 5.2 centimeter length. So again you are taking the measurement 5.2 centimeter and placing at D and cutting. So you have got the vertex R. You have got the vertex R. Now again place at R and cut an arc. You are placing at R and cutting an arc. Okay. Now place at E and cut an arc of the same length, same 5.2 centimeter. Now you have obtained another vertex, that is vertex A. Now you join all the vertex. So students, here we are applying only the simple concept of the property of square, which we have learned, that the vertex angle is of 90-degree measurement and each side is of 5.2 centimeter length. That means all the sides should be of the same length. So you are going to write, after constructing, you are going to write the conclusion: square DEAR is drawn in which DE equals to EA equals to RA equals to DR equals to 5.2 centimeter. That means all the sides are equal. Okay, in this way you are going to follow the steps of construction and do yourself. Alright children, so thank you all for today.